It's no surprise that balcony failures are still one of the biggest risks in construction. You've seen the signs: cracks, ponding, leaks, court claims, all because it wasn't done right from the start. The Balconies Built to Last course breaks it down step by step for both reinforced concrete and the troublesome lightweight framed balconies. We'll cover correct detailing, membrane, substrate preparation, expansion joints, drainage, and facade integration. So you'll finally understand why balconies fail and how to prevent it for good. You'll walk away with 5 CPD points, a fillet gauge to measure your inspections, licence slides, and the clarity to parts inspections the first time, every time. This course costs less than a drum of membrane, and it will literally save you thousands in reworks. Click below. Let's build balconies that last, and I look forward to seeing you on the series.